Now, if you're in the market for a sub 500cc do-it-all motorcycle, the Himalayan 450 should definitely be on top of your list. That potent 450cc Sherpa engine packs enough punch. That 21-inch wheel ensures it goes anywhere, and that 17-litre fuel tank will ensure you go further for longer. But what if you take that 450cc Sherpa engine and plonk it on an 11-kilogram lighter roadster with 17-inch wheels and a smaller fuel tank? Are you really compromising on your motorcycle dreams? Or is there some hope still left for the Guerrilla 450? It's time to find out. My name is Zishan and welcome to the Auto Engina channel. With every new motorcycle that rolls into our workshop, the process of evaluation begins with a week-long ride. During this time, we try to figure out how does it feel in the city, how does it perform out on the highway, and can we muck about on trails if we wanted to. Can it be a confident off-roader? With 40 bhp on tap and nimble handling, it does beg the question, how does it perform out on the highway? Can this be an even more stylish city bike? Being a roadster and more specifically a sport naked, the Guerrilla 450 has a distinct personality. It's quick, it's agile, and frisky for those urban enthu riders. Being a roadster, or more specifically a sport naked, gives the Guerrilla 450 a distinct personality. It has been tuned to be agile, quick, and frisky for those urban enthu riders. Hence, putting it in a small box, calling it just an urban motorcycle, seems a bit unfair. We feel there's a lot more potential in here. Let's head back to the shop floor and see how we plan to get there. Alright, so this is where the real work begins. Welcome to the shop floor. This is where we huddle and discuss what is it that we can design to help you extract more from the Guerrilla 450. And over the last 1 month, we've identified 8 such accessories that do just that. They broadly qualify under 2 categories. The first one, luggage solutions. And the second, crash protection. Let's begin with the most primary accessory most of you would first seek out, the crash guard. The chassis on the Guerrilla 450 and the Himalayan 450 are the same. They use the engine as a stressed member. Hence, it's critical that we identify the strongest and the safest points to mount a crash guard without compromising its structural integrity. To ensure we get a sleek design to match its super naked form, we've given it 2 mounting points. These are the same 2 mounting points you would find on the Hemi Rally crash guard. So this prototype that you see here is made of 22mm mild steel and has 2 crumple zones, here and here. This ensures that in case of a crash, it crumples without transferring too much load onto the chassis. And there's also another reason why we've chosen 22mm and maybe not a 27mm bar is because this is the optimum size to ensure safety while also not compromising the structural rigidity of the chassis. Now I know 170 mm of ground clearance isn't really off-road spec, but believe you me, if a light trail over the weekend is your idea of fun, this factory-fitted bash plate made of plastic is more than enough for your daily grind. But let's say you're a bit more adventurous than that, or you plan to tour with a fully loaded bike and a pillion, then maybe consider this. This aluminum-built bash plate ensures you get maximum coverage under the belly and also covers the exhaust, which the stock plate does not. Now, these two items may not offer active crash protection, but it does offer a great sense of peace of mind. You might have noticed on the road, tiny rocks come flying at you from under car tires and truck tires, which can damage your radiator grille just like it does your helmet visor. This aluminum radiator guard has enough deflection zone without compromising on airflow. And this shield right here, in case of a low side, will ensure that it reduces the damage to your rear master cylinder. These two parts will be finished differently with special textures and colors and paint so that it matches the Guerrilla 450's Street Fighter appeal. Yeah, this gets a smaller 11-liter fuel tank, but that should not stop you from putting all 40 horses from the Sherpa out on the highway, because it's actually good fun. A quick ride to Goa, easy bro. That said, this is a sport naked and a retro themed at one. So we've decided to go with these minimalistic stays, which are for soft luggage only. It's still a work in progress because our goal is to get each stay down to 1 kilogram each. Another accessory we thought will come in handy is this exhaust heat shield. See, if you're a guy who uses saddlebags, today saddlebags are available in different shapes and sizes. So it doesn't really matter if you have one that is a little large and it touches the exhaust, because it won't burn the bottom of your bag. But if, like me, you're someone who likes a tail pack, you should consider just getting this. This tail rack will come with an integrated backrest, so your pillion's going to be okay. Plus, you will have enough room to either strap down a backpack or a soft bag, or you can mount a top box, put all your stuff in there, and you're good to go. This last one is a touring hack for you foot peg flat footers. A wide bed serrated brake pedal. See, the correct way to anchor on a motorcycle is like this, on the balls of your feet. But in case on a long ride you get a little tired, you can rest it comfortably on them like this for a while. And the second most useful feature from this flatbed pedal is increased feedback. It allows you to understand what your rear brake is doing no matter what riding shoe you're wearing. Now, this is what we've been working on for the past 1 month. Most of these items are in their last stages of development, post which they will go for a real-world test and how they perform. Drop in on our Instagram next week to know the launch date of these accessories, and soon after, join us for the second video where we will be taking this motorcycle fully loaded for a real-world test. Thank you so much for watching.